Nongelam ka United Democratic Party UDP ubaderu Menteri Sorkar Bah Paul Lyngdoh hene kasngi santri rumpang ulabu jingkylli halor ka jimbamla jong kaseng Voice of the People's Party VPP ban kentup yak Article 371 hak manifesto jong ka Election Autonomous District Council ADC hari lom kasi jantia ka VPP hak manifesto jong ka election MLA arjar arpulai kalakular ban penbor yak sorkar pedeng bakan pentre kamlang yaki kendon ban penyo yaki jingada bakerpang yaka jela Meghalaya hapo ka Article 371 jong ka riti sensyar kari India katkum ka jingpen pau jong Bah Paul ulaong baka VPP hadien bakala syakjid ha arjar arpulai kalade ban shim yaka resolution na kabenta ban pelait no mardor yaka Meghalaya na ka 6th schedule bat ban pentre kam dak Article 371 habakren syakilat patai kubor Bah Paul ulaong ka Article 371 kalajar ngai na ka manifesto jong ka VPP na kabenta ka ni election syaki district council hoot kalong ka jingbatay ka badon bor badda ka jing syampang ha ka bapi penpau ya ka manifesto ka jong ka VPP nga tharai ki patba ki dei bentip ya kata pila bendan AA na ka ransan jong pi bat kani ka ju kalaja na ka manifesto jong pi uni unongelam ka UDP ulayai banru ya ka jingbat bet jong ka sorkar pedeng bagi jaka ki baka 6th schedule kala trekam kan amdan satya kalat banyo pentrekam sayak Article 371 kalong ka basay kedar baka 6th schedule bat ka Article 371 kimla satya banyayai ringkat ha kaju ka jaka ulaong Bah Paul ulaay nuksa ru ya ka Mizoram ban penskam ya ka ni kaunong rim jong u da ka baong ka nuksa ka basay kedar kalong baka jela Mizoram ka baka Article 371 ka trekam habaro kawe ka jela laitno kilai tili ki ADC ya ki balathaw ban pet ya ki jundan kam jing ki weipat ki pai riolum ka bamot ki riolum ha Mizoram ki bamdei ki Mizo baro ki benta jong ka Mizoram ki hap hapo ka Article 371 ka bamot bakimla bandan lang ha ka ju ka por ya ka Article 371 bat ka 6th schedule bat dei na kata ka dawla thaw ya ki lai tili ki ADC ha Mizoram ban pet ban khmi ya ki junan kam jong ki riolum ki bamdei ki Mizo hapo ka jela Mizoram nalor kata uni unongelam ka UDP upen kan maru ba ula persyak jor ya ka resolution balawan ra da president ka VPP ubadei ru UMLA ka nongkrem uba arden basayumon ban pentre kam ya ka Article 371 ha Meghalaya ha ka jingalang dorbar hapo ka yeng dorbar thawan ka balalong house nam arjar khatsan kumtaru ulaong baka UDP kanyay beteng ban pensya siya kipatba balay baka Article 371 kamday kalenti kababyang nakabenta ka jela Meghalaya.
It's a very powerful and intelligent manner in which you have interpreted their manifesto. I think the public should know that you can't have something from your platform and then that same item is missing in your manifesto. It simply means that there is something that the party is not very clear about. And I keep telling this, that as leaders, first and foremost, you have to have clarity of thought. You can't try to enter the centers of power in the KHADC, call for Article 371 and then take oath as MDCs, because you will take oath to uphold the 6th schedule for which Article 371 seeks to negate. 371 is not a solution for Meghalaya. So that argument we will continue to share with the electorate, but it's easy to mislead people if they are not sufficiently informed. So I would, in fact, as a UDP, we will be enlightening the public as to why 371 is not at all an option for Meghalaya. Categorical in asserting that in any arrangement where the 6th schedule is in operation, there is no possibility of Article 371 being invoked. It's as clear as daylight. Both the 6th schedule and Article 371 cannot coexist in a single system. A very clear example is that of the state of Mizoram, where Article 371 covers the entire Mizoram except for the three autonomous district councils which have been constituted to cater to the needs of other tribals, meaning tribals within Mizoram who are non-Mizos. The rest of Mizoram comes under 371, meaning that you can't have 371 and the 6th schedule at the same time, which is why the three ADCs of Mizoram have been constituted to address to the needs of non-Mizo tribals within the state of Mizoram. It's as clear as daylight. And if anybody asks about my stand on the matter, in 2015, when Ba'aden had moved a resolution calling for the implementation of Article 371 within Meghalaya, it's on record that I had also participated in the debate to oppose the idea of Article 371. Because, for instance, look at two immediate examples which I can give you. One, the Land Transfer Act is to be is implementable across Meghalaya except in the three normal areas of Shillong. Why? Because the entire state of Meghalaya is constituted and these areas have been declared as scheduled areas. What do you mean by scheduled areas? Scheduled areas are called because we fall under the 6th schedule. The CAA, Meghalaya has been exempted. 98% of Meghalaya has been exempted from the CAA, and the CAA is only applicable again to the three normal wards within the city of Shillong, because the rest of the state is covered by the 6th schedule. And the moment you tamper with that, you destroy the very foundation of Meghalaya statehood. And for any political party that seeks to implement 371, the first thing that they need to do when they are elected is to adopt a resolution calling for the immediate exclusion of Meghalaya from the 6th schedule and the imposition of Article 371. That's their first responsibility. Meaning, as soon as they are elected, they should adopt that resolution that we do away with the 6th schedule and come under Article 371. Is that doable? Let the electorate decide.